After reclaiming Mecca in 630 CE with 10,000 followers, Muhammad operated from Medina, extending Islam across Arabia through force and diplomacy. Khaybar's fall yielded Jewish lands, while Hunayn crushed Hawazin tribes, boosting converts. Tabuk, a 400-mile northern trek, met no Byzantine resistance. Tribes submitted instead. Delegations from Yemen, Bahrain, and Najd offered allegiance or tribute, with non-Muslims paying jizya. Najran Christians gave cloth, Khaybar Jews half their produce. Muslims paid zakat, formalized by 630 CE, swelling community coffers. Emissaries like Muadh to Yemen spread the Quran. 114 surahs, 6,236 ayahs, completed at his death. Abrogation adjusted earlier verses. Wine banned late, ensuring adaptability. By 632 CE, Arabia knelt, 50,000 to 100,000 strong. Yet he died in Medina, buried there, not Mecca, its Kaaba cleansed as a symbol, not his seat. His tax system, zakat, khums, jizya, funneled wealth, with spoils and tribute incentivizing loyalty, a structure implying profit over piety. The Quran's compilation under Uthman preserved his recitations, with companions like Zayd ibn Thabit asserting no loss, though murmurs of missing verses persist. His daily preaching, even on his deathbed, propelled this expanse, turning a Meccan whisper into a unifying roar. Leveraging Arabia's chaos, tribal feuds, empire fatigue post-Byzantine Sassanid War, his merchant past and outsider roots outpaced rivals like Musaylima, crafting a faith poised for caliphal conquests beyond Syria, Persia. After 632 CE, a legacy rooted in Medina's strategic crucible.